We have finally gotten to the point where we can now run the entire LinkedIn lead generation on Autopilot using Claude. Now look, having spent the last 5 years running outbound for over 100 different companies as a part of my own agency business, and having worked in numerous VC-backed and bootstrap startups, I have to admit what I'm about to show you is one of the easiest setups I have ever used. It's literally just Claude Code and the LinkedIn tool, and you can set it up literally in just a matter of minutes, whilst having me in the corner of the screen guiding you through everything button by button. Once you do this, this system can clean the lists for you, build your outreach campaigns, handle all of your replies to outreach, so you can book something that feels like an unlimited amount of meetings and do barely any manual work in the process, which is the dream of any salesperson or founder trying to streamline sales in-house. Anyways, let's jump straight into it and I'll show you how we can pull this off together throughout this video. Alright, the first thing that you need to do is connect Claude Code to some sort of LinkedIn outreach tool. And the one I like most is called HeyReach. It's one of the safest and most intuitive LinkedIn automation platforms from all the ones that I've used so far. And once Claude Code and HeyReach are connected, Claude can essentially go in and run all of this outbound LinkedIn messaging, connection requests, liking of people's posts, and all that fun activity on our behalf in return for us just prompting it and telling it what to do. The way that you would connect Claude Code to HeyReach will be using something called the HeyReach CLI, which gives Claude Code full access to everything within your HeyReach account. For example, creating a lead list, creating a campaign, adding messages to a campaign, or anything of that sort. Look, I could give you a step-by-step, button-by-button tutorial, but in reality, all it takes is for you to go into Claude and literally just say, hey, I want to connect Claude Code to HeyReach CLI. Tell me the commands I need to paste into the terminal to pull this off. And you can see in this case, Claude or ChatGPT or Gemini or Grok or any other fancy AI model will automatically research on the internet the MCP connection and the CLI connection. It will fetch all the information about how to pull this off. You can see it's basically reading through all of these articles so that you don't have to. And you can see straight away it comes up with all of the steps here. By the way, I'll be giving away these exact steps inside of a beautiful Notion checklist guide. So you can see the guide in front of your eyes over here. The first thing you would need to do is open HeyReach and go to integration. So let's just tick this off and go to HeyReach. You can get a free HeyReach account using the first link in the description underneath the video. And the perks of clicking on that link is, of course, the tempting 14-day free trial. So as soon as you're inside, click into settings in the bottom left-hand corner and navigate over to integrations. If you are in integrations already, you can see over here it says the HeyReach MCP server, which is connected. I can click into it. You can see the MCP key and the MCP connection URL at the bottom. So this time we can click on new MCP key and then just copy that to clipboard and copy the MCP connection URL at the very end of this command over here. So wherever it says paste your MCP connection URL here, and this entire command that we create just now, we need to paste into something called the terminal. And the terminal is basically the back-end operating system of your computer. So if we type in terminal, it should pop up on your screen. If you're a MacBook user, you can just paste that command and click on enter. And then as soon as you do that, it should basically tell you, hey, this has been connected. And then after that, to verify that it's installed, again, you can just go into terminal, but this time just click on a new window and then click on a new window over here. And you can just type in Claude MCP list command. And then as soon as you click on enter, it will give you a list of all the different MCPs that are connected on your computer. So you can see it says checking MCP server health, and it should be giving me a list of all the MCP tools that are connected to my computer. So you can see in this case, Make, NSN, Full Ridge, RTO, PayPal, Fireflies, and we can see HeyReach over here, which is the tool that we've just tried to connect here and that we have connected successfully. So again, if you want this guide, all you need to do is just head over to the second link in the description down below. And whilst I have your attention, I'm also going to give away my LinkedIn DM SOPs. This is the exact markdown file with all the instructions that you need to plug into your Claude Code system so that you can write relevant and personalized LinkedIn DMs at scale. And you can build on top of those custom instructions platforms, but you can think of them as the recipe and you can have your own interpretation of this wider recipe. So again, if you want this markdown file, it'll be linked in the second link in the description down below, alongside a lot of other cool resources on HeyReach, including how to use HeyReach, every single button within the tool, how to connect to other platforms like Claude.com, and a bunch of other videos that I've done about HeyReach, as it's one of my favorites outbound tools at the time of me recording this video right now. Okay, so now everything is connected. Claude Code, we have the LinkedIn custom instructions markdown file all loaded inside of Claude Code. All we need to do next is just go into HeyReach, go on the left side of the panel where it says leads and click on add leads. For the purpose of this one, I'm just going to import some leads from a CSV. So I'm going to click on continue here, and I'm going to upload a huge CSV with every single person that follows clay.com on LinkedIn. If you want access to this lead list and a lot of other cool lead lists, as well as courses on OpenClaw, Claude Code, NA10, clay.com, and a bunch of other emerging AI tools that are super important that hardly anyone teaches for an affordable price point, head over to unlockgtme.com and just check out the range of courses that we have available there, all in return for just one sensible monthly subscription fee. So anyways, worth noting, the course launches on the 1st of July, so if you're watching this before the 1st of July, I'll make sure to drop the waitlist link as the third link in the description down below. And you can see here we've just imported the CSV file. The most important things that we need to map are the LinkedIn profile URL fields, the first name, the last name, and the location and the company name. We have done that. We can click on create empty list, and I'll call this Tim Tuesday 8 AM because I'm recording this at 8 AM in the morning. And now you can see there are 51,000 leads that we've imported, so I just clicked on import. Obviously this will take quite a while because there are quite a few leads in that lead list, and you can see now that 1,000 of those leads have been created as a part of this lead list. So all I'm going to do next is head over into Claude Code and say I have a lead list inside of HeyReach titled Tim Tuesday 8 AM, and I want to enroll it in a new campaign that I want you to create for me. Just 3 messages inside the campaign, spread out by 3 days each, and each message should contain custom variables that we generate based on the first 10 leads is LinkedIn profiles, using the LinkedIn DMs SOP. And I'll call this skill as well. Use the HeyReach CLI in order to pull this off. And my favorite line for this is to say, ask clarifying questions before actioning, because I hate it whenever AI does stuff that I have not asked it to do. And in this case, I'm going to switch from edit automatically over to plan mode. Obviously, the plan mode just enables us to scope the build out before actually executing it. That way we spend less time in troubleshooting later down the line as well. You can see here, Claude Code immediately replies saying, I'll explore the relevant skills, context, and HeyReach tooling before asking clarifying questions. Let me launch parallel explore agents, and you can see it's reading the HeyReach CLI to understand how that works. Okay guys, really quickly, as you can see, I'm inside of Claude Code right now. I basically started a new session over here and I'm inputting a super simple prompt, bearing in mind that the Claude Code system is already trained on all of my HeyReach SOPs. And again, you can get them in the guide, which will be the second link in the description of the video. So all I'm saying is, use the HeyReach CLI to add the leads to a newly created campaign titled 10 LinkedIn DMs for Tim. The leads are in my desktop. Just as a quick example here, you can see that it's set to bypass permissions, which is obviously dangerous. So I highly advise for you to keep it at edit automatically or at ask before edit mode instead. And you can see in real time, it's checking the HeyReach CLI and the SOP files. And you can see that it hardly even thought here. It literally took about 10 seconds end to end for it to say that it's added the 10 LinkedIn DMs to a fresh HeyReach campaign. So we started off with just 10 leads to start with. You can see each one of these leads has automatically been enriched. In my case, I use separate providers like AI Arc and Prospio to enrich all of those profiles so we can pull all of the details from their LinkedIn profiles directly. And each sequence is built on my 5-message framework, which starts off with a greeting, a control controlled compliment with 5 out of 10 level of enthusiasm, followed by an authority observation and a curiosity question and a resonance line. So if you're wondering what that looks like, let's just have a look at a couple of examples in front of our eyes over here. So to start off with, we have Joe Leto. Right now, he doesn't have a name for his company. In brackets, it just says own thing. So I guess he's just in stealth mode or something of that sort. And here is the 5 messages that you will receive. Hey Joe, we clearly both live in the clay corner of LinkedIn, haha. You running your own thing at the minute, question mark. The outbound space is moving so fast right now. I do it a lot with Clay and Claude and put it out on YouTube. Plus, I'm also in a group with some of the outbound guys like Eric Nowakowski. Genuinely hard to keep up with the Clay releases lately. Is Clay a big part of what you're building or more of a side interest for now? And then my favorite is the resonance line, which is the 5th line we send out. You out in Ashburn, heard it's basically the data center capital of the world right now. Mad how much of the internet quietly runs through there. Now, you may call me out at this point and be like, Tim, this is absolute garbage. I'd never reply to that. But let's be real, you don't need every single person to reply to these kind of messages. All it takes is 1 in 50 people, 1 in 30 people, and you're generating 1 lead a day if you know how to use HeyReach properly to the full capacity. Again, if you want to get our HeyReach tutorial for 2026, you'll need the second link in the description underneath the video, so go check it out. In the meantime, you can see the examples for all the other prospects here as well. So all of the copy, in my opinion, is pretty sharp. And bearing in mind that I can also go through the QA process of quality assurance, I can rewrite it in Claude code in real time. I can teach it that. I can that way train Claude code to make the copy even better. And at a scale of sending over 50, over 100 messages a day, I back myself to get positive replies from this campaign alone. Now, if we scroll all the way down, it says all of these leads loaded into the new campaign, 10 LinkedIn DMs for Tim, and it says pausing here for your go, Tim. Do you want me to send those across? Basically, do I want Claude Code to launch this campaign live? And if I go into the campaign over here, I can basically click on edit campaign, and then if I go all the way through to continue, I can see that it's basically mained out of 5 messages. So the first message over here, and in this case, we're splitting the messages by 1 day, but realistically, you can switch that to as low as 3 hours as well. So I'm just going to set that to change this to 3 hours. Or we can send them a message every 3 hours if we wanted, bearing in mind that all of these messages are very light, so it's a very easy read for the prospect. I hope you found this stuff useful, guys. If you have, as I mentioned a million times already, you can steal the entire SOP, the entire skill library behind LinkedIn Outreach as the second link in the description underneath the video. And just remember that at first attempts, the Outreach copy will not be the best. You do need to give it feedback. You do need to rewrite it in your own tone. And only based on that will Claude Code learn from it. It will update its memory.md file. And next time, the speed to launch your campaign will be way, way faster. Now, if you want to run this exact setup yourself, I will leave a link for HeyReach as the top link in the description underneath the video, where you can try out HeyReach completely for free. And of course, once you're signed up, you can connect it to Claude Code and let it handle your lead list cleaning, the build out of your campaigns, and sorting out the replies just like you saw in the video earlier today. And more than that, you can even tidy up and sort all of the replies to the interested prospect so that you can spend your time on what only you can do, which is closing the deals, of course. So again, you can go and get started with HeyReach, top link in the description down below. Go click on it and redeem that free trial. And if you're exploring different AI tools and you want to see how OpenClaw compares and how OpenClaw can run your LinkedIn outreach for you and how you can use OpenClaw in order to run your entire LinkedIn outreach, then check out the video popping up on your screen right now.